Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today I'm going to be showing you around this amazing Ford Fiesta. Having under 10,000 miles, low insurance, low tax, this car is perfect for somebody looking for some affordable motoring. Let's take a look. This Ford Fiesta has the 1.25 litre Zetec engine, manual gearbox, and you get a fuel economy of around 54 miles to the gallon. It is in insurance group 7E and it's just £35 a year road tax. It is also ULEZ compliant. So we're just going to take a walk around to find any damage. So I'll just show you all the panels first. So there's the bumper. Nothing to note there. Looking up at the bonnet. Can't see anything. The windscreen looks good. I don't see any chips or scratches. Oh, I've just noticed a small stone chip just to the side of the bonnet there. On this quarter, everything looks as it should. All the wheels are immaculate. Just take a slow walk around and I'll just show you all the panels. There's just a slight scratch there on the driver's door. Keep moving around. There's a little tiny scuff there, very small, just under the handle of the rear of the driver's door. The glass looks good. Moving down here, show you the wheel. Very tidy. So this is the rear bumper. I can't see any damage here. Again, neither on the boot. And again, the glass. No chips, no scratches. On this side down here, we have got a slight scuff on the wheel arch just there, and a bit of a scuff down there. I'll show you that wheel. All looking good. On the rear passenger door, the glass looks good. I can't see any scratches on the door there. Passenger door, the glass looking good. We have got a slight dent by the handle here, and a little scratch just down there. There's a slight scuff there as well on the handle. So just walking around onto this final quarter, nothing to note. I'll just show you the wheel. Opening up the boot. This boot is very tidy and this Fiesta comes with a spare wheel. Just show you the back seats here. Again, not much to say, it's all very clean. And the two outer seats do have ISOFIX. Opening up the front here, I'll just show you the seats. And again, you can really start to see that the car has covered just 10,000 miles. And here you've got your two electric windows controls. You have in fact got your electric mirrors. There's your dash. And then here you've got CD player. You're down here, you've got your aux and USB with your 12-volt socket. You've got your climate controls with a heated front windscreen and rear, handbrake and cup holders. So we'll just start it up. So foot on the clutch. And as you can see, there's no warning lights on the dash. This car will come with a fresh MOT, service and a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard, which you can upgrade to a 12-month if you wish. This car has had previous services in 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2021, 2022, 2024 and by us ahead of delivery. It also had a new cam belt less than 700 miles ago. If you like this car, you can secure the £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do offer delivery and finance is available. I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them. Thank you for watching.